Hello. Well, because Tracy asked me today just to confirm how to do a paper cartridge, so I thought I'll go and give you a very quick Soldiers 5 how to do. I do the paper cartridges for blanks. This is not for actually holding a ball and powder in there using string. So very roughly, I've got, look at my finger here, this is 10 centimeters, this is 10 centimeters, this is 8 centimeters, and that's an angle which is something in between. So the reason why it's not necessarily square is so you've got a little bit of a thinner top where you're tearing, and you've got a thicker base that'll be a little bit more supportive. Now I've scribbled in red the edges that I come along and glue. So those are the places that you glue. Okay, so using glue, glue stick, wind it out, I glue the base, glue the top. Too much glue. Is there too much glue? I don't know. Can there be too much glue? Okay, so once I've done that, I roll from this end. And I'm using this little piece of copper pipe that I gave most of you. Roll, 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 roll. Once I'm there, you should have that little bit of an angle going through. I press it down. I then press from where the overlap is, and you're just making sure that you've got enough so when you press it down, it's deep enough to basically go across, as you can see there. I generally go 1, 2, 3. And the good thing about the pipe, you can push in. If you see gaps anywhere there, more than likely the powder will find a way. And that's it. Slide it out, powder up with whatever grain that you want to do. If you're using different grains, I would suggest that you mark them in some different way, whether writing the grain amount 80 or 100 or 95 or whatever, or colour them or some way so it doesn't throw you shooting out. Okay, happy shooting. We'll see you hopefully this weekend.